Hello viewers, today I have received one Excel file from one of my colleague. So let me show his file. So this is his file. If I zoom out, he sent me this file to printing. Give him a print in A3 paper. So there is some things he doesn't know. So if I enlarge the row, see the text, how the text plays. That means he don't know how to enter multiple lines in Excel cell. So today this video for who don't know advanced in Excel and don't know about that advanced text formatting in Excel. Okay, so let me go in details. So here what is the problem? If I click here, what he did, he started writing from here and to match the he wanted to put the value in second line. So what he did, he just add some space like this. He added some space and to accommodate the text inside the column width, it automatically come in the second line. But if I extend the column width, so it is showing in same line. So that means Excel command of text formatting. Okay, also some text are in middle, some text are in upward. So today I will show you how to format. First you will go to the print option, page break preview. If you go here, you will find the print option. The area which will be printed you can see from the page break preview. So this area I don't need, so I will just simple click and drag this line up to the desired position, and this line means it will print on first page, it will print on to print all the page in first line. So first page, so I will drag this to in this line. Now see, there is only one page. Okay, so I want to print it in A3 paper. So for this I have to go in page layout and I will go in size and I will select in A3 paper. Okay, then I will select it is whether it is landscape or whether it is portrait. The portrait means vertically the paper will be large, and landscape means horizontally paper will be large. So if I want to set the margin, I can set the margin from here. Normally let me select the normal margin, standard margin. Okay, now what he did mistake, he could not place the text in second line. So for that, let me delete the space. Okay, and I will simply press in Alter and then enter. See, now the text came in second line. So simply I will do it same things here, Alter plus enter, Alter plus enter. So Alter plus enter, again here Alter plus enter, again here Alter plus enter, again here Alter plus enter. Okay, here also same things, Alter plus enter, Alter plus enter. Okay, now Now the things looks good, and all lines are in array. So what I need to do, I need to do the position of the text in here. It is in middle. The position of the text in this cell are in top. So I will go, I will select, and I will go in the alignment option, and I will click on the middle. Okay, now vertically the position has come in middle. Okay, if I now what if I want to see this specific column alignment from right, I will simply click and I will click in the left alignment. Okay, same things I will do here. Okay, now this table looks good, and also so principally only the header will be bold, and this under the header text will not be bold. So I will select and I will simply remove the bold option. Okay, now it looks like good, very good, and my print area also corrected, and all text are corrected. So this now looks beautiful, looks good. I can print from here. I can see the print preview, and here you see it did not match with the whole page. For this I have to select the scaling. In scaling I want to feed the paper in between the width of the paper, so I will fit all columns in. Now good, but problem is in the left side the space and the right side the space are not equal. For this I will go to the page setup, and I will go to the margin, and I will select the horizontally. If I click in horizontally, then the page will come in the middle. Okay, now see the page has come in the middle. Now it looks like good. So if I pin now, it will give me a good document and good print. Hope this video will help you. So who are new to my channel, you can subscribe for next video. I think it will help in your career and in education. Thank you for today. Thank you.